Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So today I'm going to share with you guys my DevaCurl curly hair routine. So I'm just going to show you guys what my curly hair routine is right now, but I'm just going to use DevaCurl products. Sometimes I do use other brands, but today I'm just going to curl my hair with DevaCurl products, which by the way I love a lot. I have been really obsessed with DevaCurl. I mean, all of their products that I have tried I like. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use and how I curl my hair. So actually the first thing that I'm gonna use is my DevaCurl microfiber towel, and I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm just gonna put this on my shoulders so that I don't get my t-shirt wet, because I am going to church after this, so I don't want to get, you know, wet. I don't want my shirt to be wet. So the first product that I'm going to use is this DevaCurl leave-in conditioner. This is really nice for just making your hair very moisturized. It's great to leave overnight as well. I do that sometimes. I love doing that because it just leaves my hair so soft in the morning, and it also just helps my curls come back to life. So I love using this, especially on my ends. My hair is a little bit dry up here, so I'm gonna wet it. I really recommend that always happens to me. This is so tricky. Like sometimes you think it's like this, but it's like this. It's just so tricky. So I was just spraying up in the air. What a fail. Anyways, there you go. That happens to me a lot. So now I'm gonna add the leave-in conditioner, and I'm gonna put this on the ends. I'm just gonna try and focus it on the ends, just so that the ends can look more like healthy and not like split ends, you know what I mean? So I put about that much, and then whatever is left you can put like everywhere else. So I'm gonna start with this DevaCurl SuperCream. I love this. So this is to define the curls, but I noticed that just this alone doesn't leave my curls very curly like I want it to be. So I add another product after this, but this is really nice if you combine it with something else. So I'm gonna put 2, 3, about that much, and that's just for one side. So I'm gonna put that on one side, and I'm gonna start from back here and then bring it to the front. Then I add more to the other side. And now I'm gonna use the DevaCurl Light Defining Gel. So this gives you still like a soft hose, not like a crunchy curl. So that's what I really like about this, that it's a gel but it doesn't really leave your hair like super crunchy or like hard. So I'm gonna put some of that, about that much, on my hair. And I just like to put enough product. Like, I am not cheap when it comes to putting product on my hair, because you just gotta use a generous amount. Like if you want your hair to like stay nice throughout the day and just like stay very curly throughout the day and not frizzy or poofy or anything, just use a generous amount of product on your hair and your curls are gonna look so nice and defined. So now we're gonna style the hair and define the curls. So we already put the creams, but now we're gonna define the curls. And what I use to define my curls is this Denman brush. Guys, this is so good for defining your curls. Like you will get like little curls that go like this, like spirally, like, oh, I love those types of curls. Basically what I do, you can kind of like separate this section, for example, into 2 sections. So I'm just gonna do that just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I use a clip and I clip my hair like that, and then I take my Denman brush and I will brush my hair like this, and then twist the ends like that, and then I will scrunch the hair. Scrunch. So as you can see, the curls are starting to form. So now I bring the other section back down, and then I just do the same thing. So I'll brush my hair like that, twist the ends, and then scrunch. The more you scrunch, the more I feel like it's gonna curl. Using the Denman brush really helps define the curls, and it helps your curls to stay just like in place and not get too like frizzy or poofy. So if you like the poofy look, then I maybe wouldn't recommend the Denman brush, because this really helps to take away a little bit of the frizz and the poofiness. So I don't know if you can see a big difference, but this is the Denman brush side. I scrunched it and everything, and then this is just the regular side. As you can see, there's a lot of scrunching involved, so just scrunch a lot. So now I'm actually going to diffuse my hair. Sometimes I like letting it air dry, but I really don't have the time right now to let it air dry. I actually need to diffuse it pretty quickly too, because I have like 15 more minutes and then I have to go. So I'm gonna diffuse it, and the diffuser that I use is this one from Bedhead. You can use any diffuser that you have at home really, but I like using this because it's just like all in one. You don't need an attachment or anything, it just comes like ready to use. I put it on high, like the speed, and then I put it on warm, not hot. I just put it on warm for the heat setting. But I'm just really gonna do this super quickly, and then I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, so here's the final look. Here are my curls, very bouncy. They are 90% dry, I would say mostly dry. The other 10% I just let it air dry. But yeah, I just kind of like put my hair to like one side, kind of like in the middle as well. I just play with my hair, just like move it around. But yeah, that's what my hair looks like. I hope you guys like it. I really like DevaCurl. I think it really defines my curls so much, and it makes my curls look so healthy and so like soft and bouncy. I really like DevaCurl, and I love using the Denman brush. I always use the Denman brush with like every single hair product that I use. I always use the Denman brush. This curl keeps coming forward. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna link all the products down below if you guys want to purchase any of these products, so you can click the links down below and purchase them if you want. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.